and I'm going to show you how to use the multiple choice feature in School for One version 1.3.6. I'm going to start with the teacher side. And here I'm logged in as a teacher. I'm going to edit. I'm going to delete another assessment that I did from the previous take. And I'm going to create a new assessment. I'm going to create it from scratch. And I'm going to say, what number is prime? I'm going to give 5 options. Right now, all multiple choice questions are A, B, C, D, E, 5 options. I'm going to say 2, I'm going to say 7, I'm going to say A, I'm going to say 20. These are always easy because they're paired numbers, but I'm going to have a more difficult one, which is 21. The answer here is clearly B. I'm going to start a different question. What number is not prime? A, B, C, D, E. I'm going to make it tricky. I'm going to say 1, 2, 11, 17, and 21. So the first one is, the answer is B, and this one the answer is E. Create. Now I have to edit the question. I have only 2 questions, so I'm going to delete, and I'm going to select the correct answers as B and E. Notice that here I already have a standard because the lesson had a standard. I can add more standards by using the plus sign, and then I can select here individually the standards for each question. I'm going to save. I'm going to rename this as assessment MC. Add. I'm going to save. So with that, the lesson was, the assignment, the multiple choice assignment was already saved, and I'm going to go now into the student's iPad. Alright, now we're seeing the student's iPad. The student will select here, and he has the assessment MC. Now, what is a prime number? What number is prime here? And I'm going to answer correctly, and I'm going to say B7. This is for question 1, and for question 2, with number is not prime. And this is tricky because 2 looks like a not prime, so I'm going to answer 2, so I'm going to say BB, and I'm going to submit as a student. One more thing to notice here as a student is that here when I'm done, I'm going to go to student's grades, and the student will be able to see his submission here. But if we go to the grade, there's no correct answers yet. So now I'm going to go back to the teacher's iPad. And this is the teacher's iPad, and in the teacher's iPad, I'm going to go to the gradebook, and here I'm going to select assessment MC. So I'm going to select the student's assessment here, and the only option I have is grade all. And when I select grade all the students that have submission will be graded, and from then on they will be able to see what the correct answers were. So got a 50%. Now here's a cool feature. When you select the header which says assessment MC on the top, you will be able to see a little report and say, 100% of students, in this case is only 1, got that one correct, but 0% got number 2 correct, and 100% of students answered B because 2 is a misleading prime number. So now I'm going to do one more switch. And this is the student's iPad. And the student's iPad, I'm able to select, oh, that's the wrong assessment. Assessment MC, I got a 50%, and I will select it. And here where it says grade, now I see, you know, the black ones are my answers, the ones in green were correct, and the ones in red mark the incorrect answers. And that's it with the multiple choice